What's up guys and gals, we are back with another video, and FabFilter Pro Q4 just got a brand new channel strip feature built in. The only catch is you do have to have the other FabFilter plugins that are compatible with this or it won't work. Now at the time I'm recording this video, the plugins that do work with this are Pro Q4, Pro C3, Pro DS, and Pro G. So all of those will work, but it does say more FabFilter plugins will work on this in the future. So they are working on getting more of their plugins updated to work with this channel strip. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in just a second, but this is very important. You need to make sure you go over to the FabFilter website and download the latest version of each one of these plugins, because the older versions will not work. It's free to download the newest version. For example, let's just say your Pro DS doesn't work. Just go over to the FabFilter website, download it again, and install it, and it will overwrite the old plugin, and you will have the latest version that does work. So if you find that you try this and it doesn't work, that means you don't have the latest version of the FabFilter plugins. In order to get into the channel strip, all you got to do is open Pro Q4, add your other FabFilter plugins to your track, and down at the bottom here, you're going to see this little thing that says Pro Q. Click on that, and that's going to open all the instances. So you can see Pro DS, Pro G, Pro Q, and then you can just kind of scroll up and down, and we have Pro C on here as well. So that's basically your channel strip. You can just go ahead and, make changes to your compressor or whatever it is you want to change right off of this. It would be nice if these were a little bit bigger. You can put this in full screen mode, so if we do that, it's definitely going to be a little bit easier to see everything and work with this. That is for sure. But I do wish you can make each one of these a little bit bigger. If there's a way to do that, I'm not sure how. I haven't played with it that much, but there may be a way to enlarge these a little more. But it's super easy. It's super simple. You just have to make sure you have the latest version of each plugin that's compatible, and bam, you've got yourself a nice little channel strip. All you have to do is open Pro Q4, and then you can adjust every other one of your plugins on that track through this little channel strip feature, which is really cool. Again, if this does not work, just make sure you go over to fabfilter.com, download the newest version of each one of your plugins. I mean, you can't download, like, let's just say you've got Pro Q3. You can't upgrade to Pro Q4 for free. If you have Pro C2, you're not going to download Pro C3 for free. Just the newest version of the plugins you already own. Anyways, that's really all there is to it. It's a really cool feature. So as long as you have a compatible plugin and you have the newest version of that particular plugin installed, all this should work. And that's going to come in very handy and be very nice. I really like this new feature a lot.